All right, now we're at the casting process. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that flask we've prepared in the oven and we're going to inject molten gold into it using this centrifuge. First what we need to do is we need to wind up the centrifuge and get it ready. So we go 1, 2, 3 turns and lock it into place. In this case, we're going to be mixing custom alloys. So we're going to be taking yellow gold, pure gold, and mixing it with white alloy to make white gold. So we're going to melt down our alloy first. We put this into the centrifuge here, into what we call the crucible. What we're doing is we're melting this alloy down. This alloy melts at a much higher temperature than what the gold does. So it has to be first on the list to get melted. If not, we boil the metal, and that's not good. So what we need to do first is melt this alloy down. See those beads? They're starting to heat up. We're going to use our quartz stirring stick and move everything around so the heat disperses. And right now the temperature in that chamber is somewhere in the realm of 2,600 degrees. So it's ready for me to pour the gold in. What I'm putting in there right now is what we call casting flux, and this allows the two metals to combine. Now we're going to pull this centrifuge back, unlock it, make sure that metal's melted, and let it go and it does the rest. As this is spinning, the metal inside is now cooling. By now it's hard. And as it's cooling with that constant pull from the gravitational pull that's being put on it from this centrifuge. And what that's doing is keeping that metal nice and tight in that flask until everything hardens. Now it's time to take this flask and put it in water. And when that happens, all the porcelain is cooled so quickly that it disintegrates, leaving only the ring behind. And let's check and see our handiwork here and how good we did. We can do that by making sure we have what's called a button, and that is a remnant piece of gold. And there's our ring.